Good morning, student. Today we have learned next point of the chapter, ratio of areas of single triangle. So here we have to study theorem depends on ratio of areas of single triangle. In last period we have seen what is meant by single triangles, which are the tests for similarity of single triangles, and then some examples depend on it. And today we have to learn ratio of areas of single triangle. So we have to study a theorem depends on ratio of areas of single triangle. So statement is that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles, the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. दोन समरूप त्रिकोणांच्या क्षेत्रफळांचं गुणोत्तर हे त्याच्या संगत बाजूंच्या वर्गाच्या काय असतं, गुणोत्तराएवढंच असतं. असे या ठिकाणी आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं. लक्षात घ्या, स्टेटमेंट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. द रेशिओ ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ टू सिमिलर ट्रायंगल. बट रिमेंबर दैट द गिवन टू ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर. So in this figure we have to give a triangle ABC and triangle PQR are two similar triangles. In triangle ABC, it is perpendicular to BC, and in triangle PQR, PS is perpendicular to QR. So given things is that we have to written here given in triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. Then segment AD is perpendicular to segment BC and segment PS is perpendicular to segment QR. It is given. And we know that when perpendiculars are given, there is a right angle triangle. This is given. We have to prove that ratio of areas of two triangles means area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. Ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Squares of their corresponding sides. It means AB square divided by PQ square is equal to BC square divided by QR square is equal to AC square divided by PR square. This is we have to prove. Only one we have to prove. Remaining are arithmetic proof. AB square divided by PQ square, or BC square divided by QR square, or AC square divided by PR square. So then here we have to study proof. First point of the chapter we have to learn that the ratio of areas of two triangles. We know that the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their corresponding heights and bases. So, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to, what is the base of ABC? BC. And what is the base of QR? PQR, QR. And heights are AD and PS. So we can write as it is AC into AD divided by QR into PS. It can be written as BC divided by QR into AD divided by PS. This is equation first. Remember it by using the property. The ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their corresponding heights and bases. Then we have to study two triangles. In triangle ABD, so in triangle ABD, and another triangle is PQS. ABD and here PQS. Remember that in both the triangles, in ABD, angle D is congruent to angle S, each 90 degree. Each 90 degree because they are perpendicular, and we have to given here angle congruent to angle Q. This is given because these two triangles are similar, and we know that when two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are congruent. So angle B is congruent to Q, angle C is congruent to R. So in this way we can say that triangle ABD similar triangle PQS, by which case AX. Two angles are congruent, therefore by which case AX. Two angles are congruent, therefore these two triangles are similar. So when two triangles are similar, we know that then their corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore AB divided by PQ is equal to AD divided by PS. This is called equation second, corresponding sides of similar triangle. Short of corresponding sides of similar triangle. Remember that. First AB divided by PQ is equal to AD divided by PS. We have to not written here BD divided by QS because it is not necessary for our proof. We can don't write it. So this is equation second. Then we know that triangle ABC similar triangle PQR, it is given. Triangle ABC similar triangle PQR, then we can write as it is AB divided by BC, PQ is equal to BC divided by QR. This is equation third, corresponding sides of similar triangle, and this is we have to given because given two triangles are similar. So observe the equation first, second and third. In equation first, BC divided by QR into AD divided by PS. But AD divided by PS is equal to AB divided by PQ, and AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR. So area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC divided by QR as it is into AD divided by PS. याच्या ठिकाणी काय घ्यायचं AB divided by PQ from first and second. आता from third आपल्याला काय करता येतं BC divided by QR या AB divided by PQ च्या ठिकाणी BC divided by QR या कशावरून घेतलं हे from ते असं केल्यानंतर या ठिकाणी बघा काय BC into BC square divided by QR square, so that area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC square divided by QR square. Similarly, we can show that area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square divided by PQ square or AC square divided by AR square. So we can write as it is area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square divided by PQ square is equal to BC square divided by QR square is equal to AC square divided by AR square. So we can say that, hence the proof. Then we can say that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles, because remember that these two triangles are similar. So here the proof. So we can say that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding side. याचाच अर्थ दोन समरूप त्रिकोणांच्या क्षेत्रफळांचं गुणोत्तर हे त्याच्या संगत बाजूच्या वर्गाच्या गुणोत्तरा एवढंच असतं. बघा रिमेंबर काय करायचं, पहिल्यांदा गिवन याच्यावरून सिंगल ट्रायंगल घेतले, ते परपेंडिक्युलर काढलेलं, त्यानंतर काय प्रूव्ह करायचं ते आपण स्टेटमेंट दिलं. या प्रूफ मध्ये लक्षात घ्या पहिल्यांदा ही प्रॉपर्टी आपण वापरली, कशाची प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ सिंगल ट्रायंगल, रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स ही प्रॉपर्टी. त्यानंतर हे दोन्ही ट्रायंगल सिमिलर दाखवले. सिमिलर दाखवल्यानंतर त्याच्यावर हे घेतलं. त्यानंतर ऑलरेडी आपल्याला हे दोन ट्रायंगल सिमिलर दिलेले आहेत, त्यानुसार हे घेतलं आणि या तिन्ही इक्वेशनवरून आपल्याला डायरेक्टली असं दाखवता येतं एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC डिवाइडेड बाय एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PQR इज इक्वल टू BC स्क्वेअर डिवाइडेड बाय QR स्क्वेअर. In this way we can prove that all these squares. So we can write here area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square divided by PQ square is equal to BC square divided by QR square is equal to AC square divided by PR square. Hence the given theorem is proved. So remember that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding the ratio of their corresponding ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. So next we have to study some examples depend on theorem of ratio of areas of similar triangles. Theorem of areas of similar triangles. So some examples depend on ratio of areas of similar triangles. So let us study our first example. Here we have given the ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangle is 3:5. Then find the ratio of their areas. So let's consider here. Let A1 and A2 be the similar triangles, and S1 and S2 be the corresponding sides. काय कन्सिडर केलं तर A1 A2 हे सिमिलर आहेत. A1 similar triangle A2. And here we have given S1 is to S2 is equal to 3:5. दोन्हीचा रेशो आपल्याला दिला आहे 3:5. So we know that by the property of ratio of areas of similar triangle. बघा समरूप त्रिकोणाच्या क्षेत्रफळाच्या गुणधर्मानुसार A1 divided by A2 is equal to S1 divided by S2 bracket square. S1 S2 याचा रेशो आहे. A1 divided by A2 is equal to here 3/5 bracket square. So 3 square 9, 5 square 25. Therefore A1 is to A2 is equal to 9:25. So lastly write therefore ratio of areas of similar triangle. Ratio of areas of similar triangle is 9:20. त्याचं गुणोत्तर काय आलं 9:6. अशा पद्धतीने मला काय केलं A1 A2 हे दोन आपण त्रिकोण समरूप त्रिकोण मानले S1 S2 त्यांच्या corresponding sides चा रेशो. So in this way this is the solution of first example. The last answer is that the ratio of areas of similar triangle is 9:20. So the solution of second problem we have to given here triangle LMN. Here MN similar triangle PQR and condition is that 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. So this 16 come here and this area of triangle goes to other side in the denominator. So 9 divided by 16 is equal to area of triangle LMN divided by area of triangle PQR या बाजूला घेतलं 16 या बाजूला घेतलं. Therefore area of triangle LMN divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to 9/16. Then we have to given here QR is equal to 20 and calculate MN. So by ratio of areas of similar triangle, ratio of areas of similar triangles So area of triangle LABR divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to MER square divided by QR square. MER square divided by QR square. This is from by ratio of areas of similar triangle. So we can write here element divided by area of triangle PQR 9 by 16 is equal to MER square divided by QR square. So by taking square root of both sides, MER divided by QR is equal to 3 by 4. Taking square root of both sides, taking square root of both sides, 3 by 4. Here square root 3, here 16 is 4. Then by substituting the value, we have to calculate MER. We have to calculate here MER. Therefore, MER divided by value of QR is 20 is equal to 3 by 4. So MER is equal to 3 into 20 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 5s are 20, 3 5s are 15. Therefore, MER is equal to 15. This is the value of. बघा या ठिकाणी वर्गमूळ घेतलं 304 MER ची किंमत माहिती काढायची तसंच तसं जेवढं किंवा किती आहे 20 भागिले जर दिले झालं 4 ने 20 ला भाग दिला तर 25 3 5 15 MER ची व्हॅल्यू या ठिकाणी काय 15 आहे. In this way we can solve the second problem. First remember that these two triangles are similar. This is the given condition. By converting it, area of triangle element divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to 9 by 16. So by the property of ratio of areas of similar triangle, we can write as it is. Value of this is 9 by 16. MER square divided by QR square. So MER divided by QR is equal to 3 by 4. This is the answer of second question. So we have to study the third problem. Areas of two similar triangles are 225 square centimeter and 81 square meter. If the side of the smaller triangle is 12, find the side of bigger triangle. So triangle ABC and triangle PQR are two similar triangles. So let us consider here. So area of triangle ABC is equal to 225 square centimeter, and then area of triangle PQR is equal to 81 square centimeter, and their corresponding sides are AB and PQ. So we have to given here AB is equal to 12 and calculate here PQ is equal to how much? Consider that AB आपल्याला 12 दिले smaller triangle. If the side of the smaller triangle is 12, then find the side of the bigger triangle. So we can write as it is by property of ratio of areas of similar triangles. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square divided by PQ square. So area of triangle ABC is 225 divided by 81 is equal to AB square divided by PQ square. By substituting the values, taking square root of both sides, here 225 divided by 81 is equal to AB square divided by PQ square. Then by taking square root of both sides, by taking square root of both sides, by taking square root of both sides, पाहिजे दोन्ही बाजूचं काय घेतलं वर्गमूळ घेतलं याचं वर्गमूळ काय 15 याचं काय येतं 9 इज इक्वल टू AB divided by PQ. So the value of AB is 12. 15 divided by 9 is equal to 12 divided by PQ. AB is equal to 12. So PQ into 15 is equal to 12 into 9. PQ is equal to 12 into 9 divided by 15. 3 5s are 15. 3 4s are 12. So 9 4s are 36 divided by 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 7s are 35. Remaining 1 10. 5 2s are 10. Therefore PQ is equal to 7.2. This is the answer for your problem. So writing full sentence. Side of bigger triangle. Side of no. We have to take here side of bigger triangle or smaller triangle. So PQ is equal to. So AB here we have to calculate. Sorry. AB या ठिकाणी आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं आहे. AB divided by 12. 15 into 12 divided by 9 is equal to AB. So AB is equal to. That's a multiplication करा. 15 into 12 180 divided by 9. 9 1s are 9 2s are. So AB is equal to 20. So side of a bigger triangle is 20. We have to by mistake taken here. AB is a side of bigger triangle, so PQ is equal to 12. By substituting PQ is equal to 12, we can calculate side of a bigger triangle is 20. So these are some examples depend on ratio of areas of similar triangles. So this is enough for today's lecture. So we shall stop here.